Nam Prik Ong is a traditional Northern Thai chili dip known for its rich, spicy, and tangy flavor profile. It's a staple in Northern Thai cuisine and is often served as a condiment or a dip. Here's a bit more about it.
About Nam Prik Ong.
Origin and culture. Nam Prik Ong hails from Northern Thailand, where it's a popular dish in local cuisine. It reflects the region's culinary influences, including the use of fresh herbs, spices, and a balance of flavors. It is commonly enjoyed as part of a communal meal, where it is shared among family and friends, emphasizing the social and communal aspects of Thai dining culture. Ingredients and flavor profile. The primary ingredients include ground pork, tomatoes, garlic, shallots, and Thai chilies. These ingredients combine to create a robust and spicy dip with a slight sweetness from the tomatoes. Fish sauce and soy sauce add depth and umami, while sugar balances the heat and acidity. Serving and accompaniments. Nam Prik Ong is typically served with a variety of fresh and steamed vegetables, such as cucumber, long beans, cabbage, and carrot sticks. These vegetables help to cool down the spiciness of the dip. It is also enjoyed with sticky rice or steamed jasmine rice, making it a versatile accompaniment to many Thai meals. In some cases, it is paired with crispy pork rinds or other crunchy snacks, adding texture to the dining experience. Variations. While the core ingredients remain consistent, the level of spiciness and the exact balance of flavors can vary depending on personal preferences and regional variations. Some recipes might include additional ingredients like tamarind paste or lime juice to add a different layer of tanginess. Cultural significance. Nam Prik Ong is more than just a dip. It is a reflection of Northern Thai hospitality and the importance of sharing meals. It represents the region's agricultural bounty, as many of the ingredients are locally sourced and freshly prepared. The preparation and consumption of Nam Prik Ong are often part of festive occasions and family gatherings, highlighting its role in Thai culinary traditions. Nam Prik Ong stands out for its unique blend of spicy, tangy, and savory flavors, making it a beloved dish in Thai cuisine and a must-try for those looking to explore authentic Thai flavors. Sure. Here's a recipe for Nam Prik Ong, a spicy tomato dip from Northern Thailand.
Nam Prik Ong. Spicy tomato dip.
Ingredients. 200 grams. 7 ounces. Ground pork. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 2 cloves garlic. Minced. 2 shallots. Finely chopped. 4 to 5 Thai red chilies. Finely chopped, adjust to taste. 2 medium tomatoes. Chopped. 1 tablespoon tomato paste. 1 tablespoon fish sauce.
1 tablespoon soy sauté.
1 teaspoon sugar. 1/4 cup water. Fresh cilantro, chopped, for garnish. Green onions, chopped, for garnish. Instructions. Prepare ingredients. Gather and prepare all ingredients. Finely chop the garlic, shallots, chilies, and tomatoes. Cook pork. In a pan or wok, heat the vegetable oil over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and shallots and sauté until fragrant, about 1 to 2 minutes. Add pork. Add the ground pork to the pan, breaking it up with a spatula as it cooks. Cook until the pork is browned and fully cooked. Add chilies and tomatoes. Add the chopped Thai chilies and tomatoes to the pan. Stir to combine. Season and simmer. Add the tomato paste, fish sauce, soy sauce, and sugar. Mix well. Pour in the water and bring to a simmer. Reduce the heat and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the mixture thickens and the flavors meld together. Adjust seasoning. Taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. Add more fish sauce, soy sauce, or sugar according to your preference. Serve. Transfer the Nam Prik Ong to a serving bowl. Garnish with chopped cilantro and green onions. Serving suggestions. Serve with fresh vegetables like cucumber, long beans, and cabbage. Enjoy with sticky rice or steamed jasmine rice. It can also be served as a dip for crispy pork rinds or other crunchy snacks. Enjoy your delicious and spicy Nam Prik Ong.